What if 3 books could rewire your brain, rebuild your habits, and reignite your purpose? All in under 90 days. Most people scroll. Winners read. Stick around. These 3 books might just save your future. These aren't your average feel-good reads. Each one is a blueprint for discipline, for mindset, for transformation. They don't just inspire you, they pressure you to level up. First up, Atomic Habits by James Clear. What if your life was just a collection of tiny habits repeated daily? That's the punch in the face Atomic Habits delivers. Forget motivation. Build systems. Stack small wins. Whether it's fitness, focus, or finances, it's the habits behind the results. Takeaway? Don't try to change your life. Change your identity. What habit do you need to break today? Next, Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins. Ever met a man who ran 100 miles with broken bones and kidney failure? That's David Goggins. Can't Hurt Me is not a book. It's a wake-up call. Pain is the price of greatness. You are in danger of living a life so comfortable. It makes you soft. Takeaway? You're stronger than you think, and you're wasting it. Push past, I'm tired. That's where life begins. Finally, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fick by Mark Manson. The problem isn't that you care too little. It's that you care too much about the wrong things. This book slaps you with hard truths. You can't win every battle, so choose your war wisely. Takeaway? Clarity. Simplicity. Brutal honesty. What are you giving too many facts about? Which book hits you hardest? Drop your answer in the comments. Smash that like button if you're ready to grow, and subscribe for weekly fire to fuel your transformation. Links to all 3 books are in the description. Your next chapter starts now.